Oh, my back. Okay. My back doesn't really hurt. Vegans are invincible, so. Hey guys, I am back with another video, looking clean shaven, looking like a baby, pretty much. Cinco de Mayo is coming up real soon, and it just so happens that this year it's landing on a Tuesday, which means we need to make some tacos, of course, because of Taco Tuesday. What better way to celebrate Taco Tuesday, Cinco de Mayo, than with some vegan carnitas tacos. Originally, carnitas is a pulled pork kind of recipe, but I used some king oyster mushrooms, which is perfect because king oyster mushrooms gives you that nice meaty, stringy texture that you're looking for in pulled pork. So it's perfect, flavored well, and we top it off with a beautiful, fresh, creamy lime crema. So you can just drizzle it on your tacos. It's the beautiful pairing. So let's just get right into it, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. First, you're just gonna wanna shred 6 to 8 king oyster mushrooms using a fork. It may feel a little difficult at first, but once you start the shredding process going, it becomes a lot easier. After you're done, you should be left with a big pile of shredded king oyster mushrooms. It may seem like a lot, but trust me, you're gonna need it all. Next, just preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And heat up some oil in a pan over medium to high heat. Once your pan is hot, add in your shredded mushrooms, and as soon as you add that in, you should hear a nice sizzle. That's how you know your pan is hot enough. Keep mixing it around for a minute or two until it starts to soften up. At this point, you want to add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir it all together until everything is evenly mixed. And once all your spices are mixed thoroughly, add in 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke and 1/4 cup of salsa. And mix that until it's evenly combined. Next, just grab a baking tray and cover it with some foil, or you could even use some parchment paper, and just add your shredded mushrooms to the baking pan and spread it out evenly. You just want to bake it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring it around halfway through. While the mushrooms are baking, it's time to make our lime crema. Just add 1/2 cup of cashews, 1/2 cup of water, and juice from 1 lime. Blend it all up until it is nice and smooth. And if you don't have a high-speed blender, try soaking your cashews in some boiling water for 30 minutes. This is really gonna help you get that nice and silky smooth texture. If your mushrooms are still baking, now is a good time to warm up your tortillas. Just warm each side in a pan over low to medium heat for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once your mushrooms are done, pop them out of the oven and you'll notice right away that beautiful aroma and that smell just filling the kitchen. Now get your tortillas, your crema, and whatever other toppings you want to add to your tacos, and it is time to assemble. Take your tortillas, add some of your vegan carnitas, some sliced jalapenos, some avocados, red onions, black beans. Finally, drizzle over that fresh lime crema. Garnish with a lime or not. Pick it up, then put it back down because you realize you still have to take some photos and these wicked B-roll shots. That's that, guys. Easy peasy vegan carnitas tacos. Very easy to make, very delicious. Let's actually take a bite. Hey, you saw the toppings that I put, but honestly, you can use whatever toppings you like. Some shredded lettuce, tomatoes, maybe you could even put some crushed up tortilla chips. Choices are endless. Anyways, let's bite into this beauty. That is so good. It's a little bit spicy because the jalapenos. If you can't handle spice, leave the jalapenos out. I can't handle spice, but I love it still. That was so good. Make this, guys. Make it now. This is so good. Like and subscribe. Click that bell notification so that you guys can stay up to date whenever I create awesome recipes like this one. And I will catch you next week. Enjoy the recipe. One more bite.